Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your notes with Evernote beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Evernote app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the note you wish to secure. Click on the note to open it in the editor. Locate the options menu, usually represented by three dots or lines in the upper right corner. Select Lock Note from the available options. You may be prompted to enter your password or use biometric authentication. After confirming, your note will now be locked. To access the note again, simply click on it and enter your password or use biometric authentication to unlock it. If you want to secure all your notes, consider using the notebook feature. Create a new notebook specifically for sensitive information. Click on New Notebook and give it a name that reflects its contents. Drag and drop any notes you want to secure into this new notebook. Next, ensure you set permissions correctly for sharing. Select your notebook and navigate to the sharing options. Adjust the privacy settings to restrict access to your intended audience. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication in your account settings. This adds an extra layer of protection when logging in. Regularly update your password to maintain security. Consider using strong, unique passwords for better protection. Finally, routinely review your notes and notebooks for any outdated or unnecessary information. By following these steps, you can ensure that your notes are secure and protected using Evernote. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.